everyone, welcome back to Zigzag Channel. The U.S. Navy has long been a leader in adopting new technologies, and the TOMS Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMALS, is one of its most significant innovations. This cutting-edge technology, designed to replace the traditional steam catapult, represents a major leap forward in aircraft launch capabilities, offering a host of operational and logistical advantages that could fundamentally reshape how naval aviation operates. EMALS not only promises to improve the performance and efficiency of aircraft carriers, but also enables the UK Navy's continued dominance in global maritime operations. As the Navy looks to modernize its fleet and integrate more advanced, heavier and more complex aircraft, EMALS will play a key role in future naval strategy. A paradigm shift from steam to electromagnetic power. For more than 50 years, the traditional steam catapult was the primary method for launching aircraft from aircraft carriers. These systems work by creating a sudden burst of steam pressure to propel an aircraft down the runway, accelerating it to the speed necessary for takeoff. Although effective, steam-powered catapults are subject to several limitations. Massive maintenance requirements. Steam-powered catapults are highly complex systems requiring constant maintenance to keep them operational. So, limited control. Adjusting the launch force to suit the needs of different aircraft or varying weather conditions was difficult with steam catapults. This limited the flexibility of the launch system. Labor-intensive. Operating a steam catapult requires a significant crew, and due to the nature of the system, there is always a risk of mechanical failure. With advancements in technology and the increasing demands placed on aircraft carriers by newer, heavier, and more diverse aircraft, the U.S. Navy began to explore alternative systems that could provide more control, efficiency, and durability. The answer came in the form of Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMALS. How EMALS works, the science behind the system. The Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMALS, works based on linear motor technology, a system of electromagnets that creates a magnetic field capable of accelerating an aircraft down the flight deck. Here's how it works. Linear induction motors. At the core of EMALS are linear induction motors. These motors work by using electromagnetic forces to propel a sled, a device attached to the aircraft, down the flight deck. The sled is magnetically accelerated along the deck, building the necessary speed for takeoff. Precise control of launch forces. Unlike steam-powered catapults, EMALS offers a much higher level of precision when it comes to adjusting the launch force. The electromagnetic system can change the amount of force applied in real time. This precision ensures that aircraft, whether light fighters or heavy bombers, are launched with the exact amount of force required for safe and efficient takeoff. This helps mitigate the risks of over-acceleration or under-acceleration, which could damage aircraft or cause malfunctions. Energy-efficient system. Rather than relying on a steam boiler or pressurized steam, EMALS is powered by the aircraft carrier's electrical grid. This is a key advantage, as the system is far more energy efficient and easier to maintain. It eliminates the need for steam plants, which are heavy, space-consuming, and require extensive maintenance. Automated operation. EMALS is a computer-controlled system, which means fewer personnel are needed to operate the catapult. The system is fully automated, reducing human error and enabling faster, more efficient launches. The automated nature of the system also means fewer personnel are exposed to the risks associated with operating mechanical systems. The key benefits of EMALS: increased precision and flexibility. EMALS offers a level of control, and precision that steam catapults simply cannot match. Steam-powered catapults apply a fixed amount of force, which makes them less adaptable when launching different aircraft types. In contrast, EMALS can fine-tune the launch force for each individual aircraft, ensuring that lighter aircraft and heavier planes are both launched safely and efficiently. This flexibility is particularly important as the Navy begins to integrate more advanced aircraft into its fleet, such as the F-35 Lightning II, P-8 Poseidon, and MQ-25 Stingray, all of which come with different weight classes and operational needs. With EMALS, the Navy can maintain high operational tempo while adjusting launch parameters in real time for each specific aircraft. Reduced maintenance and increased reliability. One of the biggest advantages of EMALS is its car reliability. Traditional steam catapults are prone to breakdowns due to the stress placed on mechanical components during launches. EMALS, on the other hand, is built with fewer moving parts, meaning there are fewer things that can go wrong. The system is also more resistant to the environmental challenges faced by aircraft carriers, such as saltwater corrosion and high humidity. The Baisher lower maintenance requirements of EMALS translate into Baisher long-term cost savings. Aircraft carriers will no longer need to devote extensive resources to the repair and upkeep of complex steam plants, freeing up resources for other important areas of naval operations. Faster turnaround times. EMALS significantly reduces the Kaiser turnaround time for launching aircraft. The system can launch aircraft more quickly and with greater consistency, which is crucial in high-pressure combat situations where every second counts. Additionally, because the system is more automated and streamlined, the number of personnel required to conduct a launch is reduced, meaning the flight deck can be managed more efficiently. Space efficiency and simplicity. The EMALS system is much more compact and compared to steam catapults, which take up a large amount of space on an aircraft carrier. Steam-powered systems require bulky machinery, pipes, and complex infrastructure, all of which take up valuable space. EMALS, in contrast, can be housed in smaller, more space-efficient configurations, allowing carriers to use their space more effectively for other mission-critical functions. This is particularly important for future B-modular designs used of aircraft carriers. Testing and deployment on the USS Gerald R. Ford. The USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78, is the first U.S. aircraft carrier to be equipped with the EMALS system. The Ford-class carriers, which represent the Navy's latest and most advanced aircraft carrier design, were specifically built with EMALS in mind. Over the course of several years, the system has undergone rigorous testing aboard the USS Ford to ensure its performance under real-world conditions. This testing process has involved a series of launches with a wide variety of aircraft, ranging from F/A-18 Super Hornets to the cutting-edge F-35 Lightning II fighter jets. Results from the tests have been overwhelmingly positive, with EMALS successfully launching aircraft with increased precision, reduced wear on aircraft, and greater consistency.